Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're new to investing or looking to sharpen your skills, you're in the right place. Today we're tackling one of the most exciting yet intimidating topics: how to invest money in the stock market. I've got some simple tips and tricks to help you get started and make smarter investment decisions. So grab a notebook and let's dive in. First things first, what exactly is the stock market? In simple terms, it's a place where you can buy and sell shares of companies. When you buy a stock, you own a small piece of that company. If the company does well, your investment grows. But if it doesn't, you could lose money. That's why it's so important to invest wisely. Before you invest a single dollar, you need a plan. Ask yourself, what are your financial goals? Are you saving for retirement, a house, or just looking to grow your wealth? Knowing your goals will help you decide how much to invest and what kind of stocks to choose. Remember, investing without a plan is like driving without a destination. Not all stocks are created equal. Some are stable and pay dividends, while others are riskier but offer higher rewards. Take the time to research companies, their financial health, and their growth potential. Tools like financial news, stock analysis websites, and even YouTube channels like this one can help you make informed decisions. Here's a golden rule: don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversifying your portfolio means investing in different types of stocks, industries, and even other assets like bonds or ETFs. This reduces your risk and increases your chances of earning steady returns over time. The stock market can be unpredictable in the short term, but historically, it has always grown over the long term. Instead of trying to time the market or chase quick profits, focus on holding your investments for years, or even decades. Patience is key to building wealth in the stock market. Investing isn't a one-time thing, it's a journey. Stay consistent with your investments even when the market is down, and most importantly, never stop learning. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Follow trusted financial experts, read books, and keep up with market trends. And that's it, folks. 5 simple tips to help you start investing in the stock market with confidence. Remember, the key to success is patience, research, and consistency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel for more tips on finance and investing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.